if you're interested in the carnage that can come with stupidity, check out what I did. So I finally got a chance to tear apart that 360. Wasn't too happy with what I saw, but whatever. Any idea how a rod bolt could get up here? This is the intake that was on the blown engine, and it's going to be the one I'm using again. It's an Edelbrock Torquer 2. The reason that I'm using this intake specifically is because it'll work with the air conditioning setup that I've got. I think it's going to be really good for anything that I'm going to need. I know it's a single plane. A lot of guys aren't happy with single plane, but you know what? I had it on my previous 360 that wasn't nearly as nice a combination as this, and I don't think that I lost any bottom end whatsoever. So I think I'm going to be happy with it for whenever I get this 360 together. I'm super happy that these heads are going to be okay. They're not the fanciest or the most high zoot, but you know what? They're nice aluminum Speedmasters with CNC porting, 202 intake 160 exhaust. They'll be good for whatever I'm going to be doing, and I got a real smoking deal on them. Well, that ain't good. Guess we'll keep digging, see what else we find. Here's the verdict. We got a screwed crank, 2 pistons, 2 rods. The rest of it should be salvageable. I'm pretty sure the block is screwed though. That's okay, I got another block. Ah, that's no fun. But I guess it could be worse. Guess it's going to be a 318 for this year. But that's alright. We'll go through it, refresh it, make it happy, and we'll see what it'll do. I was always kind of curious what it could run if I could actually get the car to hook up.